Hey travel pros, do you only think of shooting video when you're on a FAM or a site inspection? It's a great way to build credibility, but how can you use video in the sales process? The awareness phase of the sales process. Your potential client is looking for solutions. They want to know how they can get some much needed R&R. This is the perfect spot to showcase a variety of destinations you specialize in. You can do this using video slideshows or by jumping in front of the camera yourself. In the consideration phase of the sales process, your potential client is wondering why they need to use you as their travel advisor when planning their next vacation. What a great time to use video to talk about how you solve problems before, during, and after their vacation, and how you can make the planning phase a breeze. Jump ahead of the game and consider video in each and every phase of the sales process. It's an easy way to build relationships and showcase your professionalism. Go ahead, give it a whirl today.